Okay, Jeff, let's see if we can help you make sense out of this. So here we have the sunlight again, we have the moon, and we have the earth. Instead, though, if I could move this little guy, which I don't think I can, I would put him now on the moon. And I would put him at point A, which is considered to be right here on your drawing. And so what we want to remember is that the same face of the moon is always directed the same towards the earth. I didn't say that very well. But right here, you're standing right here. Would you be standing in the sunlight or dark? You'd be standing in the dark. Would you be able to see the sun? No, because it's on the other side of the moon from you. Where in the sky would you see the earth? The best answer we could say is straight above. I'd look straight up and I'd see the earth. And what would the earth appear like to you? Well, let's look at it. Here's a sphere and it's entirely lit up on this side. So if this was the moon, we'd say we see a full earth. It's all in light. So what we're going to do is go ahead by days. Can't ever get it quite. There we go. Now remember, the same side is facing the earth. So you're standing right here. Same side is facing the earth. Here you are on this side. And would you be on the border of sunlight? Oh, sorry. On day 8, you would be on the border between sunlight and dark. Would the sun be rising or setting? Now remember, you're on the moon. The sun would be rising because you're going to continue to go this direction, and more and more and more you're going to be facing the sun as time goes on. So this is sunrise for you. Where in the sky would you look to see the earth? Now this sounds crazy, but there really is a point to it. You're going to look straight up, and that's where you see the earth. Why? Because that's where it's always going to be for you. As the earth moves, as the moon moves, it keeps the same side of itself towards the earth. It's a little bit hard to see, but it does. Let's see. How much of the earth would you see? Well, you can see half the earth. Here you are. Half the earth is dark and half the earth is light, so you would see a half moon. So let's go a little bit farther each day. Remember, we're paying attention. Notice how, let me go back. We said the sun was rising here. Continue to look here. This is where you're standing. Are you getting more and more sunlight or less and less sunlight? More and more sunlight. That's why we said it was rising. It's a little hard to visualize. So now you want to answer the same questions. Remember, you're right here. So every time you stop, you are entirely, always, always, always facing the earth. You're always going to look up and see the earth, because this revolves at the same rate as it moves around the earth. I'm not saying that very well, but hopefully the other information gave it to you better. I wish I could put a little person here. The little person is going to stay on this side of the moon and is always going to be facing the earth, no matter what happens. That's why we say we always see the same side of the earth. We never see the back side, because it presents only that one side to us. I hope that helps a little bit. I don't really know if it does, but see if it does. Answer the questions the best you can, and I'll take a look at it. Thanks.